Good morning, everybody. I hope you're doing good. I hope the Lord's blessing you, keeping your family safe. I hope you had a good night's sleep. This is my good morning snack. It's barbecue chicken with cheese and tomato sandwich. But I hope your day's going good. I hope that you'll have a good day today. And like I said, I hope that the Lord's blessing you. Please like or subscribe, especially if you're new. Feel free to comment. Feel free to share. All I ask is please be respectful in your comments. Thanks for watching. Bye, y'all.